Oh, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Holden Trax, stock number 6213. This ran from the 8th 2013 to the 12th 2020. It has a TJ 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a TJ 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 18-inch thick alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch thick alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 18-inch thick alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front 18-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,